Are you looking for a smarter way to capture more leads, respond to customers faster, and grow your business? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you how to use Podium, one of the most popular lead generation and customer communication platforms designed to help businesses turn more conversations into sales. So whether you're a small business owner, marketer, or sales professional, this beginner-friendly guide will show you how to get started with Podium and make the most out of its powerful AI and messaging features. And before we get started, if you're planning to sign up for Podium, be sure to use the link in the description below. When your referral qualifies under Podium's referral program, you will receive a $500 referral reward after the eligibility requirements are met. So check out our link in the description below. So, let's begin. Podium is an AI-powered customer communication and lead management platform designed primarily for local businesses and service-based companies. Whether you run a home service business, an automotive dealership, or dental or even medical practice, a retail store, or any business that relies on customer conversations, Podium brings your communications into one easy-to-manage platform. Now, instead of you juggling phone calls, text messages, web chats, reviews, and leads across multiple apps, Podium centralizes everything so your team can respond faster, provide better customer service, and convert more prospects into paying customers. One of the standout features of Podium is that it offers two powerful AI-driven solutions, which is going to be the Sales AI and Service AI. Sales AI is designed to help businesses capture, qualify, and follow up with leads automatically. It can engage website visitors, answer common sales questions instantly, book appointments, and continue conversations through SMS, helping ensure potential customers don't slip through the cracks even at side business hours. Not only that, it is one of the Podium's biggest powerful feature because it's designed to help you and convert more leads without requiring someone to respond manually 24/7. Because, for example, if someone asks about pricing, product availability, financing, or business hours, Sales AI can provide immediate responses based on your business information. It can also ask follow-up questions to better understand the customer needs and qualify them before handling the conversation over to your sales team. Behind the scenes, every conversation is organized inside the Podium CRM, allowing your team to view customer history, continue conversations seamlessly, and prioritize the most promising leads. This helps businesses respond faster, improve conversion rates, and save valuable time by automating repetitive sales inquiries. So Sales AI acts like a virtual sales representative that's available around the clock, ensuring every potential customers receive an immediate response even outside normal business hours. On the other hand, Service AI focuses on customer support after the sale. It helps businesses answer frequently asked questions, manage service inquiry, schedule appointments, and provide instant access through automated conversations. Now, this allows your team to deliver faster, more consistent customer support while reducing repetitive tasks. Because the Service AI is the second major solution offered by Podium. Instead of relying solely on human agents to answer questions, Service AI automatically handles common customer service. Now, for businesses that receives a high volume of customer inquiries, this significantly reduces response times while allowing support staff to focus on more complex issues that require a human touch. Service AI has the ability to provide consistent answers across every interactions. Since the AI uses your company's knowledge base and business information, customers receive accurate, standardized responses regardless of when they contact your business. By automating repetitive support tasks, Service AI helps businesses deliver faster customer service, improve customer satisfaction, reduce support workload, and of course, provide assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, let me tell you that one of Podium's standout features is the AI employee Jerry, an AI-powered virtual assistant designed to help businesses respond to customers 24/7. Jerry can answer common questions, qualify leads, schedule appointments, collect customer information, and even follow up with a prospect through text messages. Now, instead of letting inquiries go unanswered after business hours, Jerry keeps the conversation going, ensuring your business never misses an opportunity to convert a potential customer into a paying client. Not only that, you also have the auto dealerships. Podium provides tools specifically built to help dealerships generate more leads and improve customer communication. Now, sales teams can instantly respond to vehicle inquiries, schedule test drives, send financing information, and follow up with buyers via SMS. The platform also helps dealerships collect more online reviews, manage customer conversations from one inbox, and increase appointment bookings, making it easier to close more vehicle sales. And then it also offers the aesthetics. This is tailored for medical spas, cosmetic clinics, dermatology practices, plastic surgeons, and beauty treatment providers. The platform helps clinics answer patient inquiries, schedule consultations, send automated reminders, collect online reviews, and maintain communication before and after appointments. By automating these interactions, staff can spend more time focusing on patient care while providing a smoother client experience. Meanwhile, the retail solution helps store create better customer experiences for both online and in person. Retailers can answer product questions, notify customers when orders are ready for pickup, send promotions through text messaging, collect customer reviews, and accept payments directly through SMS. With all customer conversations managed in one place, retail businesses can respond quickly, build stronger relationships, and drive more repeat purchases. Now, if you'd like to learn more and gain deeper insights into Podium, I want you to head over to the resources section. Here you will find a wide range of helpful materials to explore, including guides, customer stories, webinars, articles, and other learning resources to help you get the most out of the platform. There are several options available, so you can choose the resources that best fit your needs. For example, free tools, test the product, or if you want, you can also download the desktop app or the Podium Pass Chrome extension, which will forward you to a new page. All you have to do now is install that to Chrome. If you want to download the desktop app, and before you can log in, you'll first need to create a Podium account. If you haven't checked out their pricing plan, this is the perfect time to see which option best fits your business needs. Whether you need a full suite of features or just the essentials, Podium offers plans designed to match different business needs. And if you're planning to sign up for Podium, be sure to use the link in the description below. If your referral qualifies under Podium's referral program, you will receive a 500 referral reward once all eligibility requirements have been met. Now, let's take a look at Podium's pricing plans. Rather than offering fixed monthly pricing on the website, Podium uses a custom quote model, allowing businesses to choose a plan based on their size, industry, and specific needs. So you will see three main plans. The first one is going to be the core plan, which is designed for businesses that need the essential tools to manage customer conversations and generate more leads, including a centralized inbox for text messages, phone calls, forms, and emails, along with an AI-powered review, response suggestions, basic automations, reporting, and customization options. It's a great starting point for small businesses looking to improve customer communication. The second option is going to be the Pro plan, which is the most popular. It includes everything in the core plan, plus more advanced AI features such as the AI instant answers, AI generated review responses, phone call summaries, automatic lead routing, advanced automations, hosted surveys, and lead capture forms. This plan is ideal for growing businesses that want to automate more of their customer engagement and maximize lead conversion. Finally, you have the signature plan. This is built for larger or multi-location businesses that needs enterprise-level capabilities. It includes everything in the Pro plan plus advanced multi-location management, enhanced reporting options, custom branding and customization, as well as discounts on Podium's phone and desk phone services. Overall, Podium's pricing is flexible rather than a one-size-fits-all. Since every business has different requirements, you'll need to request a personalized quote to receive exact pricing based on the features and scale your business needs. And with that being said, so is Podium the right lead generation and management software for your business? If you're a local business that relies on calls, text messages, website inquiries, reviews, and appointments, Podium is definitely one of the strongest all-in-one solutions available. Instead of juggling multiple apps, it brings your customer conversations into a single inbox while using AI to respond to leads, book appointments, and follow up automatically. It's built to help businesses respond faster, improve customer engagement, and ultimately convert more leads into paying customers. That said, Podium may not be the best fit for everyone since pricing is customized and requires contacting their sales team. It can be a larger investment for very small businesses or any startups compared to simpler CRM or messaging tools. Overall, if your business is growing and you're looking for a platform that combines AI-powered lead management, messaging, reviews, payments, and customer communication into one place, Podium is absolutely worth considering. And remember, if you'd like to try Podium for yourself, be sure to check out our affiliate link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if ever you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.